Welcome to my channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and do support us. So today I am going to discuss about some low back pain and exercise. So why the low back pain it is coming means due to proper posture is not improper posture and long driving and two-wheeler and four-wheeler driving and sitting for longer periods in front of the computer and standing professional like teachers, policemen and security. It will help, the pain it will come. So you want to do some exercise to strengthen the muscles. So why if you are taking any tablet, it is a temporary only the pain it will reduce. So why the low back pain, what are the signs and symptoms it is coming means joint stiffness it will be there, early morning stiffness and muscle spasm will be there, pain will be there, and in the chronic condition some radiating pain also it will be there in the thigh region, the radiating pain also it will be there. So now we are going to the section for the exercise. Today I am going to explain some spinal flexion exercise. So now we are going to the section. Welcome. So this position is the lie on the back. Position is lie on the back. Okay. So first exercise, bend both knee and keep it down and lift your pelvis up and hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. So 10 repetition you want to do this exercise. It will strengthen the pelvic muscles and lower back muscles. Second exercise, chin to the chest and hold it for 5 counts and relax. So 10 repetition you want to do this exercise. So third exercise, lift the both leg up to 5 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, relax. 5 to 15 degree you lift up and hold it and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose you are not able to lift both legs together, you lift and practice this single and try to lift both. Okay, and bend both and bring to the abdomen and relax. This is the fourth exercise. Bend both knee to the abdomen and relax. This is the fourth exercise. Want to do 10 to 15 repetition. If you are doing more, suppose you are doing 30 repetition or 150 repetition one time means it will help to reduce the muscle, it will reduce the obesity also. It will strengthen the lower abdomen. Now the fifth exercise is the direction. If your left side the leg it is going, you want to neck to the right side, and again the leg it is coming to the right side, the neck want to go to the opposite side, left side. Okay, this 5 exercise it will reduce the pain and increase the strength, muscle strength, and it will increase the stability. Suppose I am feeling more pain, so go to nearby physiotherapy center and take some electrical modality treatment will come. So this treatment also it will reduce the pain and it will reduce the muscle spasm, it will reduce the tenderness, all these things. Thanks.